Good morning, everybody.
Day 11, Kara has her hat and coat on because the furnace thermostat, which triggers a little element to heat up to ignite the gas. Of course, I use the old school stick and fire method. So we got here this morning and it's ultra frio.
And I turned it up so the plaster would dry. So now the plaster didn't dry and it's, Jake's in his element. Cold dip inside. 11, Jake's corner.
PG language.
PG.
PG 11 right here. So we're doing a bunch of painting. We have a lot of paint here. And I was just telling Kara that we should obviously utilize the weight of this and do some front squats. We have goblet squats here. Kara, how's my form?
Mediocre.
Mediocre. I didn't even start and my technique is mediocre. That's what we do on the job.
Don't worry,
buddy.